Hey y'all, I'm Izzy Frank with Seeds to Success, the Louisiana Farm to School program. Welcome back to our video series, Sustainable School and Home Gardening. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the process of installing a brand new box bed. As always, planning should come before installation. We need to make sure the new box bed will be in a location with access to a water source, the desired amount of sunlight or shade, and proper drainage. Don't build your box beds in an area that holds water or is far away from your water source. The first step in installing a new box bed is placing sheets of cardboard on the ground where the new bed will be. Gardeners would often remove any grass or weeds growing in areas where new beds would be installed. But we found that this is a lot of work and isn't necessary if we simply smother them out. In a few weeks, any grass or weeds under the cardboard will decompose and become organic matter. In a few months, the cardboard will decompose too. Make sure you place enough cardboard down that there are no gaps where grass can grow up and into the bed. Some folks even place enough cardboard down that it extends out from the edge of the box bed and then cover the excess with mulch or gravel. This makes a nice weed barrier around the bed. After placing the cardboard down, use a hose to soak it through. The next step in installation is placing the box bed frame on top of the cardboard. Once it's positioned how you want it, go ahead and fill the bed with your media. Make sure you have the correct type of media. We recommend you go to a local nursery and purchase their garden bed or raised bed mix. You could use potting mix, but that's more for pots and containers, not garden beds. Make sure to ask if the mix is amended with any fertilizers. Personally, we prefer to buy media that does not have fertilizer in it and add our own. That way we know exactly what is in the media and can monitor nutrient deficiencies. Make sure you purchase enough media. Calculate volume by multiplying the width, length, and height of the bed to know how much media is needed. If you placed extra cardboard for that weed barrier we discussed earlier, now is the time to cover this with mulch or gravel. Anytime we install a new box bed, we need to amend the media with compost, fertilizer, and a micronutrient mix. While ensuring your plants have the correct amounts of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium is critical, making sure their micronutrient needs are met is just as crucial. It is not uncommon for us to see a new box bed with plants showing signs of nutrient deficiency caused not by a lack of nitrogen or phosphorus, but a lack of micronutrients. The final step in our installation is irrigation. There are many ways one can irrigate their garden, but we highly recommend getting a timer and using drip tape or trickle lines. Drip tape is the most efficient way to irrigate as it only emits a small amount of water directly to the roots of your plants. This reduces disease issues caused by wet foliage and conserves water. Drip tape can be expensive, but it will save you time and money for as long as you use it. If you are not keen on using drip tape, many homeowners use soaker hoses, which involve essentially the same setup, just a bit more affordable. You can purchase irrigation supplies at local nurseries, hardware stores, and irrigation specialty stores. Once your irrigation is installed, you're ready to plant your garden. Be sure to thoroughly water in any new plantings by hand to ensure the soil and their roots are fully saturated. That's it for this episode of Sustainable School and Home Gardening. We hope this helps you get that garden started. Don't forget to go watch our other videos on our channel.